Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss how to fix unable to install an app on iPhone and iPad. So let's get started without wasting time. First of all, go back your home screen and then tap here the settings and then scroll it down. Tap on general and then again scroll down. As you can see guys, VPN device management. So tap here and then tap on delete profile and then delete all profiles and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem isn't fixed, go for the next one. Next one is delete the app if showing this type of error. So I am deleting and then reinstall the app. So go to the Safari. So search for if you want to download the app. As you can see guys, this is a version of app. So I am downloading Panda Helper, as you can see guys. So tap install and then go back. Wait some seconds and app is installing right now without showing the error is unable to install. So this method didn't work for you. Go for the next one. Next one is open up settings, go to general and then scroll it down. Tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all setting, give it your password and then give it screen time password. Tap on reset all setting. This will reset all setting, no data and media will be deleted. And then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem didn't fix, go for the next one. Next one is go to settings and then tap Wi-Fi and then turn it off and then turn it on and then reconnect your Wi-Fi and then check if the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem didn't fix, go for the next one. Next one is go to your settings and then tap on general, go to software update. It's available any software, so update the software and then check if the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem doesn't fix, go for the next one. Next one is go to settings and then go back, tap on general, scroll down, tap on date and time. Make sure this toggle is turn it off, turn it on, so your problem 100% will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. If you have problem, let me know in the comment. I help you more. Thanks for watching.